All right, so the second video is going to be called Not I Saw Mommy Kissing Santa Claus, but I Saw Mommy Reading That All Cholesterol is Bad. So is this true? Is all cholesterol bad? And the short answer is no. So when looking at where our cholesterol is produced, 80% is synthesized within the body, and 20% actually comes from our diet. I feel like that's a misconception that we're eating most of our cholesterol, and if you eat steak and eat these high-fat foods like eating the egg yolk, you're going to have high cholesterol then, and this is not true. So when we take in our food, it's pretty much like a snowball. So we are going to make a chylomicron, which is one big singular piece through the consumption of our food. And when you roll a snowball, it sometimes can fall into little different parts if it's not the most wet snow, for instance. So this is going to be our chylomicron remnants. Not super important, but just know that these go to the liver. Within the liver, we're going to produce our first kind of cholesterol, and this is called our VLDL. The sole purpose of this is to produce our LDL, which is able to go into the blood and circulate. So our LDL is key to unlocking this LDLR receptor, which goes to produce bile and vitamin D, hormones, and cell membranes. And if we are in a fasted state, which is 12 plus hours, so we looked at when our insulin goes down and we're not eating for a longer period of time, we're able to enter that fasted state. So when we're not able to do that, we're chronically snacking and chronically eating consistently, we're not able to unlock the receptor. Additionally, we also have one form of cholesterol called HDL. This is our Drano. So as you can see, we have LDL that is unregulated and not able to bind to these receptors, and this is going to bind to the sides of our arteries. So this can cause coronary artery disease or strokes for the long term. But our HDL, if we have good HDL to LDL ratios, we're able to see that HDL can act as a Drano and clean the sides of these arteries. So very important as we are entering the fasted state that we're able to unlock this receptor so we can get LDL not just circulating throughout the blood.